Okay, let's check here. We have 13 participants. Unfortunately, we had to start this quiz today at 7:30. I was busy with other work. So we have got 13 participants, 7:35. Okay, let's start then. Okay, first question on your mobile screens. You have 45 seconds to answer this. Newton's law explains force. Which Newton's law explains force equality? What is it? Okay, it's qualitatively. Okay. Newton's law explains force qualitatively. 15 seconds more. One person did not answer. Who is that? Okay, time is up. Most of the people selected second law. Let's check the leaderboard scores. We have Anupama on the top, followed by Varshit, Jahnavi Chaudhary and Naveen. 2 members answered it right. Moving on to the question number 2. On your mobile screens now. Magnetic flux is a dash quantity. Maybe if I don't read, it will be easy for you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. Okay, let's check the scores. You have Mohan Sai, Bashta, Anusha, Sri Moktika, Lakshmi, Harsni. 7 members did it right. Moving on to question number 3. Thirty-five seconds more. Seconds more. Okay, time is up. 14 members answered out of 15 participants. Let's check on the scores. We have Varshit, followed by Anusha, Bashita, Mohan Sai, Moktika, Lakshmi, Arsni. 4 members did it right. Moving on to question number 4. On your mobile screens now. Did everybody get the quiz link? Otherwise you can check in your group, or else you can send a chat message here. I will send it again. Time is up. Oh, all done here today. 15 members answered out of 15 participants, but newly somebody joined. Pashta is on the top. Varshit, Anupama, Anusha. 9 members did that right. Moving on to next question. Question number 5. Okay, students, if you did not get the link, I have sent it in the chat box now. 12 members already answered out of 16 participants. All done again. Very good. Okay, we have Varshid, Anupama, Bashita, Moktika, Naveen, Anusha, Vaishnavi. 5 members did that right. Moving on to next question. Question number 6 on your mobile screens now. Thirty seconds more. Okay, 10 seconds. All done again. Very good. Let's check the scores if there is any change. We have Bashita followed by Moktika, Naveen, Varshid, Anupama, Vaishnavi. 7 members answered this right. Moving on to 7th question on your screens now. Okay, 10 seconds more. It's all done again. Very good. Today every participant is answering. Wonderful. Very good. Very good. Bashita, Moktika, Anupama, Vaishnavi, Naveen. 8 members answered this right. Moving on to next question. Question number 8 on your screens now. Time is up. One person did not answer now. 15 members answered out of 16 participants. And the scoreboard, no change in the top 7 positions. Let's check. 7 members answered this question right. Moving on to next question. Question number 9 on your mobile screens now. When ice melts into the water, the temperature of ice is... ...20 seconds more. Time is up. 14 members were able to answer out of 16 participants, and let's check the scoreboard. We have Bashita followed by Naveen, Moktika, Anupama, Vaishnavi. One person answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 10 on your mobile screens now. 20 seconds. Time is up. 16 members were able to answer out of 17 participants, and let's check the scoreboard if there is any change. Okay, Anusha pulled up to 6th position. Rest of the positions are same. 3 members answered it right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 11 on your mobile screens now. Five, four, three, two, 1. Time is up. 16 members were able to answer out of 18 participants. Okay, let's check the scores if there is any change, and we have Naveen on the top, followed by Vaishnavi, Bashta, Anusha. 7 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 12 on your screens now. Let me try to read this. The work done by a chemical force on a unit charge to bring into one terminal of the battery to another terminal is called. "25 seconds." 16 members already answered out of 20 participants. Three, two, 1, 0. Time is up. 18 members answered out of 20 participants. Let's check the leaderboard score if there is any change. Yes, we have Naveen, Bashta, Anusha, Moktika, Vaishnavi, Jahnavi, Chaudhary. 7 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 13 on your mobile screens now. Among the following, which is not an application of electromagnetic induction? Seventeen members already answered, and you have 5 seconds more. Time is up. Let's check the scores if there is any change. Yes, so Naveen followed by Moktika, Bashta, Anusha, Vaishnavi. 1 person answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 14 on your screens now. The increase of food grain in the production of improved varieties of crops is often referred to as what kind of revolution? Is this a biological bit? All biology bits you will have 30 seconds. Physical sciences, I think you will have 45 seconds. 17 members answered out of 20 participants, and there's the end of the time for this question. Let's check the scores if there is any change. No change in the top 7 positions. 16 members answered this right. Very good. Moving on to the next question. Question number 15 on your mobile screens now. The network of the food chain is known as. The network of the food chain is known as. Time is up. 18 members were able to answer out of 21 participants. Let's check on the leaderboard score if there is any change that we could find. No change in the top 7 positions. So 14 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 16 on your mobile screens now. The depleting source of energy is Time is up. 18 members made it. Let's check on the scores. Okay, we have N. Naveen, Moktika, Vaishnavi, Jahnavi, Chaudhary, Bashita. 9 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 17 on your screens now. Which of the following plays an important role in the nitrogen cycle? Time is up. Let's check on the scores. Okay, Jahnavi Chaudhary pulled up to 2nd position and Bhavit moved to 7th position, I guess. 6 members answered this right. Moving on to next question. Question number 18 on your screens now. The pyramid of biomass is inverted in 'Time is up. Let's check on the scores if there is any change. We have Naveen, Moktika, Jahnavi Chaudhary, Bashita. 7 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 19 on your screens now. Bacteria that are present in the intestine is useful in 15 seconds more. Time is up. 15 members were able to answer out of 21 participants, and the scores, we have M. Vaishnavi pulled up to 3rd position. 7 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 20 on your screens now. The rabies vaccine was invented by Time is up. 17 members were able to answer out of 22 participants. And moving on to the leaderboard scores to check the changes. N. Naveen, M. Vaishnavi, Bashita, Moktika, Anusha. 10 members did that right. Moving on to next question. Question number 21 on your screens right now. Which gas is released during fermentation? Which gas is released during fermentation? 15 seconds more. You need to pick the right one from the given 4 options. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0. Time is up. 17 members did out of 22 participants. And here are the leaderboard scores. Let's M Vaishnavi on the top, followed by N Naveen, Mauktika, Anusha, Jahnavi, Chaudhary. 11 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 22 on your mobile screens now. Test tube babies are formed through. Test tube babies are formed through. Interesting, even I am learning few things by conducting this quiz. Time is up. 17 members were able to answer out of 22 participants. And here are the leaderboard scores, and we have Mauktika on the top, followed by Vaishnavi, Jahnavi, Chaudhary, and Naveen Bashta. 8 members answered this question right. And you need to remember that these scores will change based on the right answer that you choose and how early you choose the right answer. Okay, moving on to next question. Question number 23rd on your mobile screens now. The scientist who performed cloning for the first time is. Time is up. 18 members answered out of 23 participants, and the scores we have Mauktika, Jahnavi, Chaudhary, Bashita, M Vaishnavi, Naveen, Anusha. 6 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 24 on your screens now. How do you pronounce this? Sieve tubes and companion cells are present in. Time is up. 17 members answered out of 23. And the scores, we have Jahnavi Chaudhary on the top, followed by Bashita, Mauktika, Naveen, Vaishnavi. 7 members answered that right. Moving on to question number 25 on your screens now. The number of mitochondria present in each cell is about. Ten seconds. Time is up. Let's check the leaderboard scores. M Vaishnavi pulled up to 4th position. 8 members did this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 26. Oh, now the questions have moved to chemistry, so I'm not going to mess up by reading them wrong. 20 seconds more. Time is up. 16 members answered out of 23 participants. Let's check on the scores if there is any change. And we have Anupama pulled up to 6th position. 3 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 27. The total number of orbitals are present in the 4th orbit of an atom of element. See? It seems to be an easy question, and people are answering it real quick. We have 14 members already answered. You have 10 seconds left. 23 participants. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time is up. 16 members were able to answer. And the scores: Anupama pulled up to 4th position, Bhavit pulled up to 7th position, and the 9 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 28 on your mobile screens now. Okay, you got 30 seconds for chemistry bits as well. Members 12, 13 members answered. 5 seconds more. Time is up. 15 members answered. And the leaderboard scores: we have Jahnavi Chaudhary, Mauktika, Bashita, Anupama, M. Vaishnavi, Bhavit. 4 members did this right. Moving on to next question. Question number 29 on your screens now. Is up. 16 members answered, and we have 24 participants. And the scores: no change in the top 7 positions. Moving on to the next question. 12 members answered this one right. And the next question, question number 30th on your screens now. You have total 35 questions today. You need to find the molecular weight. 20 seconds to pick the right one. Time is up. Okay, let's check on the scores. And Naveen pulled up to 5th position. Rest of the positions are same, and 8 members answered this right. Question number 31 on your screens now. The isotope of which element is used for the treatment of cancer disease? Cancer. Ten seconds. Time is up. Let's check on the scores if there is any change. No change in the top 7 positions. 5 members answered this question right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 32. Electronic configuration of an atom is 2.8. Which of the following element has similar chemical properties with it? Time is up. 17 members answered out of 24 participants, and the scores: Anupama pulled up to 3rd position. 6 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question. Question number 33 on your mobile screens now. Which of the following is main ingredient of biogas and CN4? 0. Time's up. 17 members answered out of 24 participants. Let's check the scores if there is any change. And we have Bashita pulled up to third position, whereas Moktik on second and Jahnavi Chaudhary on first. 7 members answered this right. Moving on to the next question, question number 34. On your mobile screens now, which of the following is an acid? Oh, I thought all are acids there. I don't know. 15 seconds more. 15 members already answered. And you have 5 seconds more. Time is up. 17 members answered out of 24. Let's check the scores. No change in the top 7 positions. 10 members answered this right. Moving on to last question of the day. What is the chemical formula of rust of iron? What is the chemical formula of rust of iron? Time is up. Okay, 10 members answered this right. Let's check the final scores. Bashita on third position, Moktik on second, Jahnavi Chaudhary on first position. Okay, congratulations to all of you, and I appreciate time and effort for playing the quiz today. So we shall meet tomorrow. Okay, if you need personal feedback, you can just let me know. I'll send it. Okay, bye. Good night.